Hello friends, welcome back to my channel for another G-Shock tutorial video. So for today's I'm going to unboxing and reviewing this G-Shock model of GA-2100-2ADR. So this is the G-Shock Oak series. Okay, so before we get started, just make sure you subscribe to the channel just by clicking the red button down there so you can keep up to date with what's happening. So what we are waiting for? Let's do! Alright, so the model of the watch is GA-2100-2ADR. Case number is 5611. Now let's open it. So this is the box, guys. So when you open the box, you will see the module number 5611 or manual booklet guide, international warranty card, 1 year, coverage, battery and machine. So when you purchase the watch, so the salesman will write on this warranty card here the model number, date of purchase, and stamp. And the last one is international warranty regulations. So inside the booklet you can see all the business partner of G-Shock all over the world. So this is our company, Kuwait Al Batal Brothers Establishment. So we are the authorized dealer here in Kuwait, guys. And this is the canister can. And here we go. This is the watch. Okay, specifications: case bezel material, carbon resin, resin band, mineral glass, shock resistant, carbon core guard structure. So carbon core guard is a new elements added in materials, and 200 meters water resistance. Size of case 48.5 lug to lug, so from here to here. 45.4 the length or the diameter of the bezel, and the thickness of the watch is 11.8 millimeters. Total weight is 51 grams. So other features you can see on your screen. Let's take a look at the watch back of the case. Engraving the carbon core guard G-Shock logo. So Casio 5611, case number. The model of the watch is GA-2100. Water resist 20 bar, so 200 meters water resistance. Carbon core guard, as I said earlier, it's a new elements added in materials. So Japan movement, stainless steel back, and the watch is cased in Thailand. So the band is quick release mechanism. So that one, So you can easily remove by your own. So it has 4 screws. So let's move to buckle. So the buckle is solid steel, and the loop or keeper is resin. Okay, so the band is a little bit soft and it feels comfortable when you're wearing the watch. So let's have a closer look in front of the watch. So in front of the watch, it has design of octagonal bezel. The bezel is octagonal. On the upper bezel, it's written here G-Shock. So below on the bezel is protection. So the side of the bezel, it has a unique design here. On the screen, you can see here the analog hand position, days of the week, and negative display for months and date, and you can set also digital hour. That one, digital hour. So the hand is radium, glow in the dark. Okay, so it has 4 buttons, 2 from my left side and 2 from my right side. So now I'm gonna teach you every functions of the buttons. So here, let's start here for adjust. So this is for adjusting the time. So when you press hold, adjust, after beep, release, and now it's showing there the country. So that is Jeddah. So let's forward. So this is forward button like Dubai, and then press one time adjust. It will set automatically by itself. Now it's 11:13 in Dubai, and the analog hand is 11:14. It's synchronized for the digital hour. Okay, so we're cleared for the adjust button. So let's move here from the mode button. It has world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and that is normal timekeeping. So world time, so this is 49 countries. You can check other time of other countries. So for example, Athens now is 9:14. So for example, Bangkok. So Bangkok now is, what time is it? 2:15 in the morning. So 49 countries, guys. So mode again for stopwatch. So start. If you want to stop, press start again and then adjust for reset. Okay. Mode again for timer. So timer, same procedure when you are adjusting the time. Press adjust, hold. After beep, release. Now let's move to minute. So that is our, guys, mode button for minute. So this is backward. For example, 1 minute, and then press one time adjust and then start. Okay friends, so we are near. And that is timer, guys. Mode again for alarm. So how many alarms we have? 2, 3, 4, 5 alarms, guys. So we have 5 alarms. So how to do it? Same procedure. When you are adjusting the time, press adjust hold. After beep, release. And this is forward button. For example, 3 in the morning. And then press 1 time adjust. And now the alarm is active. So you can set 5 alarms different times, guys. Mode again for normal timekeeping. Okay, so now we're cleared for this mode button. So let's jump here for the light. Light, this is light button. And the last one is changing the timekeeping. So it has digital hour and date, months and date. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on my wrist. Date release of this watch last August 2021, and the price of the watch is $99 in Philippines money, 4,960 pesos. Okay friends, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope you learned from our video. And if yes, please comment down below for more suggestions. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you on my next vlog, guys. Peace!